Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark and this is Richard, and we bought a 2008 Sealine SC35 with no interior at auction. If you're new to the channel, please check out our other videos, as this will help you understand progress on the project so far. In the last few videos we've been renovating the factory head's floor plug, which integrates a shower tray and step for a toilet and vanity cupboard. The plug had been left in the boat for many years and had deteriorated badly, with pieces missing and a small amount of rot. We spent 3 days piecing the plug back together, adding flanges, filling and sanding the plug, and have applied several coats of Durability primer, which can be sanded and polished to a mirror finish, ready to take a mould. So the first job for today was to start by filling and sanding the last few corners that we were not completely happy with, and then we sanded the whole plug again with 400 grit sandpaper. We now just need to spray on a quick final coat of Durability primer, and then we can move to the polishing stage. Because after 3 days of endless sanding, we were definitely ready for a change of pace. Are we happy with the plug? Morning.
Yeah, we're mostly happy, aren't we?
Yes, I think
we're
so.
very happy. In fact, there's when you look at it against how it was when we started, and we haven't put that much effort into it. It's not going to mould badly, I don't think.
No, this is pretty much flawless, isn't it now?
Yeah, a couple of little dinks, but they'll come out in the mould. We can just sand them back.
Yeah.
Polish them when we polish the mould, but yeah, I think that's as good as you're going to get it.
I agree. So,
like us.
What do we think? 600 grit now?
Start with the 600, get out the orange peel.
Yep.
We'll work up to a 2000.
2000 with found was pretty good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And then we could polish.
The polish, you can handle that.
Yes.
It's set nicely now, so yes.
A day of sanding and polishing.
Again.
Quick update, so we've hit all of this with the 400 grit sandpaper. We were going to try the 6, but it just wasn't getting rid of the orange peel. So we had to go down to 400 and that's brought that out nice and smooth. So we're happy with that. And then what we've done is just come up through the grade. So 600, 800, 1000, 1500 and 2000 on this bit, and then just hit it with the rotary polisher just to see what the finish was like. And obviously we're really happy with this. That's really nice. That's exactly how we need the whole mould to look, or the whole plug. So what we're going to do now is hit the rest of it with some 600, 800, 1000, 1500 and finish with the 2000, and then we'll be able to come in and give it a polish. Okay, back in the workshop again this morning, guys. Lovely morning, and we'll be working on our shower plug again. So we're on the home straight with this now. We've got this to a really nice finish in most areas. So you can see here that this is ready to mould from. And in here we've got a nice finish as well. But what we do need to do is just come in and do some of these corners. So what we've bought is some of these little polishing attachments to go in the drill. We'll be using our heavy cut compound, the FG400 from Mazerna. The nice thing about this rubbing compound or cutting compound is it breaks down actually and gets it to a really nice finish. It starts off as a heavy cut and then works its way down to a fine cut as you work it, so you can still get it to a really nice finish. So we've got quite a few corners to do inside the shower tray here, along the back here in these corners, and then I think what we'll do is we'll come across the back here with the mop as well, and we'll probably hit this one more time as well just to make sure it is absolutely perfect, and then we'll be ready to mould. Okay, so polishing's finished. Took us about 2 hours to get all that polishing done, but we're really happy with this. We've got all those corners that we wanted to get. So this has turned out really well. We have got some residue here. You can see the compound residue. So what we need to do is just blow that off with compressed air. And then what we're going to do is just use some soapy water, warm soapy water, and just wash all this off with that damp cloth very carefully and just get rid of all of that residue. That's what Duratec recommend after you've done the polishing stage. And then what we'll do is come in with the mould release wax then. So we've got this Mirror Glaze, Maguire's Mirror Glaze mould release wax. So this is just a Canuba based wax, and we're going to apply probably 8 coats of this. As I remember rightly, it's probably half an hour between coats. So that will take us the rest of the day just to get this waxed up, ready for moulding. So first coat going on of wax. I think we put 8 coats on the last mould, didn't we? And we had no sticking.
No. So I think we'll probably do the same on this one. Some people say 12. You know, see how it looks, I suppose. But yeah, I think 8, at least 8 anyway.
We had no issues with 8, did we?
No, not at all.
And then half an hour between coats.
Yeah, I think 45 minutes or so, because you need to leave it 15 before you can polish it. Then leave it another half an hour and then put the next coat on.
Yes.
It's not cold, is it? So
no.
I think it should dry quite quickly.
Okay, that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.